What's up guys, it's Rob with Project XJ99 and we're going to do a product review today. It is a product that I've used for a very long time, but I have never thought about using it for car rims and tires. And this is what we got. This is what we're going to be using. Super Clean Degreaser. This stuff is amazing. It works great. It is a little too tough. Sometimes you need to dilute it. On the back of the gallons, it shows you all the uses and how to dilute it. I have used this once upon a time on a door to clean it, and it did completely take the paint off. So you don't want to do that. If you're using it for surfaces like doors or interior, you definitely want to dilute it. It is definitely a product not a feint for the heart. So let's get to cleaning these tires. So somehow I lost some footage. The first tire that I did scrub with a medium bristle brush, and the tire came out very clean. This tire here, I wanted to see how it would turn out with just spraying the product on the tire, letting it sit and rinsing it off. Just with the white letters alone, you can tell a little bit of a difference from not scrubbing it to scrubbing it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and throw another coat of spray on here and then scrub it off. I do know with Super Clean it does specifically say that you could use it on tires, but as it is a degreaser, I would figure, and this is just my opinion, that it would dry up the rubber, plastics, and things like that if used too often. So I'm not going to be using this product every time that I clean the tires. Maybe just once in a great while if they get really, really nasty. Pretty satisfied with the product. It really does brighten up the white lettering, gets all the grime off of the tire, all the browning, all the brake dust. So I'm pretty satisfied with it. Just a quick video on the Super Clean. You can use it for so many different things. I used it on my engine bay earlier, and I just wanted to cut some dirt off of it, you know, just spray it off, and it looks so much better. So if you guys haven't, you guys are looking for an awesome product to use for cleaning your tires, I suggest Super Clean. It's great. It's a great product. So thanks for watching, guys. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. I'm trying to get back on track with getting some videos made. My garage is back to a not wood shop now, and I can finally get a vehicle in here and start working on it. We do have some things coming up. I am going to remove the bumper, and we are going to use bed liner on it and refinish that. I got it unfinished. It was bare metal, and all I just did was a rattle can on it. Not happy with that, so we're going to get some heavy duty bed liner, probably Hercules liner. Take that off, put the bumper tie-ins on, and get the bed liner put on it. So stick around for that one, and we'll see you next time.